everyone, thank you for joining us again today, and this is my little chef Juliebeth.
Hi everyone, I'm Juliebeth, and today we're going to be making cream puffs.
But before we begin, we need to know what are loops.
What are loops?
Well, loops is a code name for when you will be repeating the process over and over again. An example for loops would be piping cream into your puffs.
Now let's begin baking.
Before we begin, we need to preheat our oven to 425. The ingredients for the cream puffs are 1 cup of flour, 1/4 a cup of water, 1/4 a cup of milk, 4 large room temperature eggs, 1/4 a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter. In a medium saucepan, you will add your butter, milk, water, salt, sugar over medium heat. Once everything has come into a boil, you will remove your saucepan from the heat and add your flour. You will then proceed to mix it, and it will become in a clumpy texture, and it will all combine together into a paste or dough. Then once it has combined, you will put it back onto medium heat. After mixing your flour over medium heat, you will let it cook for another minute so it can evaporate the excess moisture and cook the flour. With a stand mixer or hand mixer, you're going to mix our dough for 2 minutes straight so it can cool down, so then afterwards we can add our eggs. After your dough has cooled down, you will now add your room temperature eggs one by one and let them evenly incorporate with the dough. After your mixture is done, you will add it into a Ziploc bag or a piping bag. Now you will grab your cooking tray and your cooking sheet, or you can use parchment paper instead. And I'm going to snip the tip. And then you stop. Now we are going to pop them into our oven for 10 minutes. After they have baked, put it to 325 without opening the oven. And let them cook for another additional 20 minutes. The ingredients you will need for the filling would be 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 4 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. The stand mixer or a hand mixer, you're going to combine all your ingredients together in a You will now mix until nice and fluffy. Now you're going to add your filling into a Ziploc bag or a piping bag. And it should look something like this. Nice and fluffy. After your cream puffs have finished baking, you're going to let them cool down for 2 minutes, and then afterwards you're going to pop them into a cooling rack and let them cool down for 10 minutes, and then you will be able to stuff them. The ingredients that will be needed for the glaze or the ganache for the cream puffs is going to be 6 ounces of dark chocolate chunks or dark chocolate chips and 1/2 a cup of heavy whipping cream. Now you're going to heat up the heavy whipping cream so we can make the ganache with the chocolate chunks. You have your really hot heavy whipping cream. You're going to put it inside the bowl with the chocolate and let it sit for a minute. Now that a minute has passed and you let your chocolate sit with your hot heavy whipping cream, we're going to mix to make the ganache. Now that we have mixed everything together, ganache should look something like this, very nice and shiny. And we're going to let this to the side and start filling the cream puffs. Now that your cream puffs have fully cooled, we're going to cut a little hole or a little X mark right here in the center, in the bottom. And we're going to stuff them with the heavy whipping cream we made. You see I have already cut beforehand. We're going to stuff it in there. We're going to push, push, push. And you're going to feel it get some weight. And then we're going to do exactly to all of them. So looping.
Bye.